हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई एम श्योर दैट यू आर कीपिंग योर सेल्फ very fit and fine, and I'm very happy that you people are paying attention to my videos, and it is very informative video which everybody should know before they should consult a psychologist or psychiatrist for their problem in their life. So we have already discussed in two sessions about two very important disorder in psychology, which we say is psychological disorder, which is easily treatable, and if it has been well diagnosed well in time. So today we'll be discussing another segment, that is a topic 3 we are taking, and I will be telling you in the last of the session what we discussed yesterday about signs and symptoms of one of my subject. What is basically is a psychological disorder, what type of psychological disorder it is. In today's session, I have brought a very important and very common psychological disorder, which most of the subjects they come across, that changes the individual behavior and their personality forever. They have it can drastically change their personality, and if it has not been treated, not been well recognized and on time, so it can give a the condition can be grave. So now let us talk about what is this. I will be telling you certain signs and symptoms, and you people have to guess what type of psychological disorder is this. So one of my subject comes to me, has a very very low emotional, low self-esteem personality, which has who has no self-confidence. He or she comes to me, Mr. X or Miss X, she comes to me and they say that वो अपने कुछ पास्ट रिलेटेड इंसिडेंट्स को लेकर बिल्कुल भी बातें नहीं करना चाहते. जब भी उसके बारे में उससे पूछा जाता है तो दे बेसिकली they don't want to talk about that incidents. They get very agitated, they get very irritated. एकदम से उस इंसिडेंट्स को वो याद नहीं करना चाहते, या अगर उनको याद कराया जाता है ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स तो आप देखेंगे कि उनकी पर्सनालिटी में देन एंड देयर दे डेवलप, एकदम से स्वेटिंग शुरू हो जाती है, हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है, उनके उनके उनका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस चेंज हो जाते हैं, दे इमोशनली बस्ट आउट, दे क्राई, दे लाफ, और दे डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट इंसिडेंट्स एट ऑल. इस तरह के इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं. देन सेकंड थिंग इज़ बेसिकली व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज, व्हाट आई हैव सीन, कि वो बहुत ही अपने आप को जो है दे होपलेस फील करते हैं. दे डोंट वांट, उस घटना से जुड़ी हुई कोई भी बात को वो याद नहीं करना चाहते, उस घटना से जुड़ी हुई किसी बात को याद नहीं करना चाहते. खुद खुद को मतलब वो जो है उनको वो दे डोंट फील हैप्पी. एंड sometime it happens with such type of client or such type of subjects कि when you talk about that incidents, कि तो या तो उनको वो इंसिडेंट्स पूरी तरह से याद नहीं रहता, उससे पहले का या उससे बाद का इंसिडेंट्स वो भूल जाते हैं, और वो इतनी बैडली ट्रॉमेटाइज होते हैं कि वो ईज़िली जो है वो आई मीन दे बेसिकली ट्राई इस तरह की बातों को अवॉइड ही करते हैं. वो बहुत जल्दी चौंक जाते हैं. हम सब हर समय जो है वो सतर्क रहते हैं. उनको नींद कम आती है, और अगर नींद आती है तो बहुत डरावने सपने आते हैं. ज़्यादातर सपने रिलेटेड टू देयर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस ही होते हैं, और वो इतने ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग होते हैं जो उनको मतलब हमेशा के लिए उनको साइकोलॉजिकली, स्पिरिचुअली, मेंटली और फिजिकली डैमेज कर देते हैं अगर उसको वेल टाइम ट्रीट ना किया जाए. तो वो बेसिकली उनका जो सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, वो ऐसी सिचुएशन में आने से घबराते हैं, अवॉइड करते हैं. तो ये साइन एंड सिम्टम्स हैं. इट्स वेरी कॉमन, एंड it's half of you must have already got the diagnosis. Those who have not got it, they can tell me, and the comment section is always open for you all. You can just discuss with your own experience, especially those who are from the field of psychology or are interested to learn about psychology, the student, the interns, especially the teachers, those who teach psychology. So you all are most welcome, and let's Let's see what is the final diagnosis comes out with such type of history, sign and symptoms which I have discussed about such client. ये एक छोटा सा ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन था. डिटेल में अगर हम जाएंगे तो बहुत कुछ है, बट इन दिस सेशन विल close the session here. And now the time for you all to know that what we discussed yesterday was a childhood disorder. It's a developmental disorder, and that is called autism. Yesterday, we have discussed the case of a child with autism and mild moderate autism. It was the moderate autism. It was not very severe autism. It was a mild to moderate autism. And the child is doing very fine with the therapy. And definitely, child is gonna become one of the genius, because so many genius, on this planet exist with the those who are being diagnosed with autism. I don't say ki everybody with the autism they do very well, but most of them they are very they are very concentrate, they are very consistency, they follow their consistency, they go depth into the research work they do, and they have their own word and they explore it to the scratch. So from the scratch till the peak where it can it can they can go beyond and beyond and beyond. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe.